Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've installed Grok and signed in. Now begin. First, tap New Conversation and choose a goal so the assistant knows your intent. Make sure microphone and notifications are enabled. This speeds voice prompts and replies. Once done, set the tone and response length in settings, short, precise, or detailed, so outputs match your needs. You'll save time by choosing the right mode up front, and you can change it anytime without losing context. You're now interacting. Type or speak a concise prompt that includes the objective, constraints, and preferred output format so Grok understands the scope. If the first reply is off, ask a targeted follow-up like make it shorter or include step-by-step. Use file uploads or screenshots to give context. This reduces back and forth. Also experiment with temperature or creativity settings if available. Lower values yield factual answers. Higher values produce more varied suggestions. You're finishing. Review the assistant's output, request edits for tone or detail, then export or copy the final version. Make sure to save or pin the conversation for recurring tasks. If Grok misunderstands, provide a quick example of the correct answer and ask it to fix only the erroneous parts. If it still misbehaves, check app permissions, force close and reopen, or install updates. These steps usually resolve permission or model loading issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.